time to time, we've been having the sulfur smell in our hot water, in our master bathroom sink, and in the kitchen sink. Here's our front yard today. We'll be here a total of 8 days. John is working on the water heater again. Let's see what he's doing. John, what are you doing?
Sorry.
What are you doing?
Draining the water heater so we can flush it with our new wand.
Where's the wand?
Right here.
Oh, you haven't put it together yet?
I had it out. I've had it together.
Oh.
It's 2 pieces.
Okay. Well, hopefully this is the master final.
No, then I'll go ahead and do sanitize again.
And again.
Yep.
And again.
Whatever it
and
takes.
Again. Are you okay?
What do you mean?
When you bonked your head.
Oh yeah.
Are you
I had my hat on.
Oh, that's why you couldn't see the door?
No, that's why I'm okay, I think.
Oh, okay. Wish us luck, friends. We'll keep you posted.
Last count, hit it again.
Did you hit your head again?
I just gotta take my hat off. I can't. In the sun.
Oh my goodness. So you gotta drain slow, you said?
It's hot. I don't want it to blow out.
The water's hot?
Yeah. I got the relief open
Okay.
up here.
I'm afraid I'm gonna get burnt. Where's it dripping right there?
Yeah, that's all of it so far. There.
Is it stinky?
It's hot, I can't tell. Wait.
It's been an ongoing battle from city water to, what's the other water?
Well
water, city water, well water, stinky water.
Don't smell it.
Okay.
I think while I'm doing that, I can fill up our other tank and sanitize while waiting.
What are you using to sanitize?
I'm going to use a little bleach today again. Hose is whatever I want it to be.
I see you're wearing your gloves.
Yes.
You got green hoses, white hoses, black hoses. Finally, we're in a place where we can hear birds singing. So cute. There's a little bit of road noise, but sometimes you just can't have everything. What'd you say, John? What'd you say?
When it's time for the water heater, I'll let you know.
All right, you're gonna let it drain for a little bit more?
Yeah, I'm gonna slowly keep loosening.
Okay.
But while I'm waiting for that, I'm gonna do this.
What are you doing?
Filling up the tank again with sanitized water. We drained almost half yesterday.
Oh, wow, in one day?
Yeah, well, we wanted to make sure you had your nice shower you deserved last night.
Mmm.
Let's see.
I needed a shower.
You needed just a hot shower.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go back and look at this beautiful park setting. Butterflies, dragonflies, monarchs, yellow butterflies. Tried to get a picture yesterday. I guess I'll try again. There's a big dragonfly, huge, probably the size of my hand. She used to have horses, but she took them to a different corral for right now. Oh, there's that big dragonfly. Oh, better get my camera. There's the yellow one. Hello, friends. You added a little bit of water.
I'm rinsing the bucket.
Rinse in the bucket.
What I want to do is do it right here so it's soft water from the start.
Hmm.
So, I'm just going to drain a little bit.
Oh! That was
Alright.
more than a little bit. Good thing that wasn't hot.
Nope, I never would have done it if it was hot.
Now what you doing?
Finish the drain and then I'm going to screw it back in. I haven't looked at the anode yet. Still draining the hot water.
That's a lot of hot water.
12 gallons.
You're still filling the other tank?
Yep.
Oh, there's little bugs. What you doing now?
Okay. Draining the hot water heater still.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this drinking water freshener in our storage tank, freshwater storage tank, to disinfect everything inside of it.
Okay.
Keep stored water fresh and odor free.
What's in your other hand?
This is how I measure
Oh.
ounces. So we're going to put, you put 1 ounce for every 20 gallons tanks. I think we're going to put in 40 gallons at least. So I'm going to put 2 ounces in. So this is very non-scientific. So there's 2 ounces into the water. Put the lid back on. Well, I have this hooked up already from when we put bleach in all the water lines in the camper. I've charged with bleach. We're gonna let that sit for an hour. So this is how I siphon that.
Okay.
So I can use the same setup to set it to the tank.
Okay.
So we're gonna set it to sanitize. Siphon to tank with pump.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna set them that way. This is down. It's up. That way. That way.
Okay.
Then we stick this in there. Make sure that's open. Watch. It sucks it out of this hose and puts it into our freshwater storage tank. And I filled it with soft water, this bucket.
Okay. Soft, purified water?
Yes, filtered and softened. Now here it goes, it's pumping good now. Hear it? Sucking the bleach water out of the bucket. We're gonna turn it off before it sucks air. Okay, watch out, oh, get your shoes.
Okay.
So that's done.
good product, highly recommended. Your legs already look burnt. This is for bugs. What's the name of it?
It's hard to.
Bug. Can we do it? Hard to get your own leg. What's it called? Bug Smather?
Bug Soother Max.
Soother Max.
Okay, we're gonna test our. See how hard our hard water is. See how hard this treated water is.
Okay.
And I think we're drained enough. If I filled this up out of the softener. 1001, 1002, 1003. Let it turn color for a minute. Think that matches?
Mm-hmm.
0 hardness.
Go one more over.
I think it's more there.
Okay.
So that's our, after our softener, 0 hardness.
That's great.
Yep, let's try, let's see what her, out of the ground, what it is. This is right out of the well.
Okay.
Get the strip out.
I'm just gonna put the tent right here so you can work under the tent.
Next time I have to work, I'm almost done, but. Okay, 1001, 1002, 1003. Let it sit for a few seconds. Tell me where. Not there. Maybe here?
Somewhere.
180.
Okay.
So coming out of the ground, the hardness is 180. After our softener, it's 0.
Wow, that is awesome.
Yep. That should stop the mineral. There's our rod. I'm going to change it. Okay, it's not eating away or nothing, but
Almost. Is it down to the metal?
nope. It's just deposits on there.
Oh, so the
it
metal
was
is
hard
what
water.
it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to look like metal.
Yep. I'll change it.
There's hot work, friends. We need a little tent. It's pretty hot. Got the wand ready. Thanks, Hanks,
Okay,
for
ready?
teaching us about this. Turn that on.
Ready?
Yeah.
Filming?
Yeah.
Let's see what comes out.
Thanks, Hanks, for cleaning our tanks. The hot water tank, anyway. Testing the nozzle.
Oh, it locks on.
Hmm?
You turn it up. I know, it
no chunks, but definitely brown. Whoa.
There's a little bit. A little bit came when I turned over that way. See it? This color.
Oh, the color? Yeah, it's definitely brown. Yuck. That's what I've been smelling.
We're gonna put a new rod in, even though it's not eating away.
Okay. Well, because we're cleaning it out. Different sprayer feature.
Yeah. More of a wider spray. That way we can tell if it's clean enough.
Okay. It's pretty brown. Still coming out brown.
Getting a little better, but I still see it too. Here, watch.
Leave it in there.
Yeah.
Still coming out brown. Yuck.
That means that we're full. I just got to do that.
Whoa. I think the color of the water's getting a little bit lighter.
It's helping.
Definitely helping. Thanks, Hank. We're cleaning our hot water tanks. I think this is working. It's getting a little bit better.
It's helping.
Helping. Definitely not hurting. Still brown. We're going to see just how brown this water is. Maybe. It's not a clear container, but...
You can see in there. Not terrible like it was, but... Just learned you can just turn it like this.
I don't smell too much, but we just put bug spray on, so it's hard to tell.
Pretty clear.
Oh yeah. A lot better.
When I put my finger and felt down, there was nothing in the outload of that.
Are you okay? Is the heat getting to you? Oh, huh. So no chunks, just color.
Here's what we're putting in now, the new one. Okay, watch.
New rod.
Like this. Nothing down below, see?
How come it's so rusty?
Well, that's a iron fitting there,
Oh.
but there's nothing in the tank.
Okay.
I'll put this in, and then we'll drain the chlorine out inside. Then I'll fill this back up.
Okay. Sounds good.
We got chlorinated water there. sanitizing all the lines inside. We cleaned this. New rod.
They're kind of hot, huh?
Yep, but I got a breeze.
Yeah, the breeze is nice. Okay.
Got to put some tape on this.
Oh, okay.
Red tape.
How long do you think we let that rinse?
I'd say 20, 30 minutes. There we go. Okay, now I gotta use my socket. I'm gonna try to duck my head.
Okay. You fall down.
I got this shut again.
What did you have shut again?
Safety relief valve. This vent, if you open this, it lets it drain out quicker. Vent.
Oh, that's right.
Otherwise, if it gets too hot, that pops open.
I'm getting kind of hot.
Okay. All that's left now is for me to flush inside and then fill.
Okay.
And there's
Sounds
our
good.
water softener to show everybody.
You know the name of it? On the go?
On the go water softener.
Okay. To be continued.
Yep.
So far, 100% success. Steaks on the grill. What are you having for dinner tonight?